Morning, ma'am. This is my activity 3 Python function definition in loops. Pattern 1 right angle triangle. Loop from 1 to n, print numbers from 1 to I. Then print. Pattern 2 inverted right angle triangle. Loop from n down to 1 and print numbers from 1 to I. Pattern 3 right angle triangle with space. Print leading spaces, print numbers from 1 to I. And pattern 4 inverted right angle triangle with spaces. Print leading spaces, print number from 1 to I. Pattern 5 and 6 same as pattern 1 and pattern 4. Pattern 7 pyramid. Print leading spaces, print increasing numbers, and print decreasing numbers. Pattern 8 diamond with repeating numbers. Print leading spaces, print left side number, print right side numbers. And last, diamond with repeating numbers in a triangle sheet. Then N5 print pattern 1 to pattern 9. The output is this pattern 1 right angle triangle 1 to 5, pattern 2 1 to 5 to inverted right angle triangle, pattern 3 1 to 5 right angle triangle with spaces, pattern 4 inverted right angle triangle with spaces to 1 to 5. Then pattern 5 and 6 same as pattern 1 to pattern 4. Pattern 7 pyramid. Pattern 8 diamond with repeating numbers, output. Pattern 9 diamond with repeating numbers in a triangle spaces, 5 to 1 and 1 to 5.